Here we are, and we're going to get loud. Yes, we are. Now, this exercise is pure chest. You don't lighten up at all. You don't go into the mix at all. What you do is you do a nice big sound. Yay! And it's yay! Now I go yay! So I can end it without gripping, but if you have a tendency to grip in the back of the throat, yay! And you close to end it, and I don't want to do it because I don't want to hurt myself, then you've got to go yay! And don't do the H, yay, the AH at the end, yay! And let it fly out. My piano is even resonating. You know, this piano belonged to my father. It's over a century old. Baby is still working. Thank you. All right, so here we go. Down here. Now, gentlemen, right in here where I'm going to be playing after I take the dust off. This area here is where you're transitioning and it's starting to get a little bit hard. So I'm going to go down a little bit lower for you to start on this. Yay! And for me, it's very low, so I'm not pushing or anything. Remember, you come out in the midsection. Don't lean down at all. Yay! Yay! And notice how I'm putting my hand out. I'm embracing the fact that it's a nice big sound. I'm keeping my chest up. I want the sound to fly out. Again, yay! 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 Keep the mouth open. Yay! Now here it is. The tendency is to change. I want a nice deep sound. Yay! 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 Now ladies, up in here, you're going to want to do this sound nice and strong. Don't go into yeah! Yeah! Don't go into that sound at all. And make sure you hit the notes too, okay? Down here again. Yay! Now, if you really want to go after them, and this is what we do in Singing for a Lifetime, I have the ladies stand and we go out like this. We go, yay! And I'm bending down so I'm still in the picture. I don't know whether I am. Yay! And both hands, I'm going out this way. Both arms are out. Shoulder blades are together. Let's go up and down again. So we will, I promise you, we will go back down. Here we go. Right here. Yay! 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 Lift up high in the back. Yay! 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 You're on your own. Oh! Yay! 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 Now, we're going to go down lower. Take a minute to rest. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Here we go. Yay, gentlemen. Yay. Yay. Ladies, this is easy for you. Yay. Yay. We're going to jump up here. Get ready. Keep the body up. Go. Yay. Jump up here. Right there. Now don't mix. You want it nice and bright, but lift. Yay! Now, if you're going high and you start to rasp a little bit, don't freak out. Just know that the muscles are getting used to this and they're not used to doing it. Now, if you start rasping 2 times, okay, then after that, rest. Don't push your voice. Wait until the voice is ready to ascend to higher notes. If you start feeling a tickle, the voice is telling you, you know, Okay, it's saying, don't push me too much. All right, and you can try a little bit more, but if it's still tickling, take a break. Wait. Your muscles will tell you. They will tell you whether they're happy or not, and you want to keep them happy. So I will rasp out on the top, and that's why I cut it out, because I heard a little bit of rasp, and my voice is saying, too early. But maybe yours isn't, so keep going. If you start to hear a rasp, though, caution, because you want to have a nice, clear sound. That's the optimum, the clear sound, and support. And on the next one, if you start to rasp, caution. You rasp on the next one, don't keep going. Listen to it, and on the way down, pick it up. Okay? So we're going to go here. And I think we're going to go up. Here we go. Yay! Yay! Go ahead. Yay! Yay! Keep the mouth open. In the back. Yay! Yay! Keep open. Yay! Yay! And now for chest voice, for those who have like falsetto, the men who have a great falsetto, but their voice is a little bit bright, or the ladies, if your voice is a little bit bright, what we're going to do down here, I want you to think big burly now, honey. Right down there now. Guys, you're starting to be bright here. And ladies, this is dark and deep for you, so stay awful. No, not really. Yes. You want to bring some bottom into your voice? Not Notice I'm not lifting, I'm not showing my teeth. Go ahead. Keep it. Now lift up. Back down. Go ahead. Nice and deep. One more. Okay, very good. Very good. Now, chest voice, it is demanding on the voice. Belters were very, very popular, and they poo-pooed the high tones, the falsetto, and they poo-pooed all that. They said, oh, no. I was one of them. So I have this big chest voice, and then, the head voice, I didn't have high notes. And then I got unstupid, and I started singing higher. I can sing up into the whistle stop. That's the whistle stop way up there, but that's for another day. Today, you have chest voice, big, strong. Remember, if you hear it start to rasp, if there's two of them, stop, don't continue. All right? You want to save your muscles, and they're going to talk to you. They're going to tell you exactly what they feel. Let me tell you, they will. Okay. What do you think I'm going to say? Yeah. Subscribe, ring that bell, cause it's such a day. Such a mighty fine day. Bye-bye.